Hi YouTubers, how are you guys? We are here and I am here with Carrie. So Carrie has been following me now for a while, right Carrie?
Yes.
And she's been very curious to see what is juicing, what are you gonna put in this juice, how is this gonna impact my health, my energy. I'm making a little recipe that is going to help your skin glow. So this is more of a skin glowing recipe. So here we go. I'm gonna start off with spinach because all my juices, I always start off with spinach.
And you just kind of measure it with your hand.
Hand, boom, just put it all in there. I'm gonna get some kale. Then we're gonna add some cucumbers because cucumbers are really good for your skin. And then we're gonna add some lime. And then we're gonna pop in some fresh watermelon. So watermelons are very good for hydration. They're 92% water and it's got vitamin A, vitamin K, so very essential for the skin. And we're gonna add basil.
And you don't have to put ice or any liquid or nothing?
Nope.
Okay.
You're gonna see this. This is magic. And then I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of turmeric powder, ginger powder, and I have a little bit of collagen in here too. Get that extra skin to glow. So Carrie, have you juiced before?
I have juiced before, but not to this.
Not like
no.
this? What questions do you have maybe about juicing?
How many, so do you have one juice a day? How many, when you say you're juicing, is it an all day thing? Do you just?
So that's a great question. So the best time to juice is actually in the morning, coming off a morning fast. Why? Because you're getting all the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes liquid form. So it's like literally taking a shot of antioxidants into your bloodstream, into your body, and you're gonna get the effects in 10 minutes.
So then you usually only have that one juice. You don't do it again later in the day?
Yeah, sometimes I do. There's also what we call juice fasting, where you actually fast. You do a juice fast, either 24 hours, which that's what I typically tend to do with all my clients when they first start. That way it's like baby steps. I don't want to get them on a 72 hour.
You have the juice and nothing else except for juice.
That's it. You're juicing all day. So what that does, it detoxifies you, it cleans your gut, it gets rid of stored toxins, and you're literally juicing all day for 24 hours. But typically, if you're gonna do regular juice, like incorporate juice into your life, you wanna just start off juice in the morning.
How often do you do juice fasts? Since you're already into it,
that's
juicing,
a great
how
question.
Many?
So a juice fast, I highly recommend it every quarter, at least 3 days per quarter.
So it's not to lose weight; it's just to help with.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Some people do it to lose weight. Juicing is not something. It's not a meal replacement. I always tell everyone this is not a meal replacement.
You still eat
this
your
is
meals.
just to actually get the right nutrients into your body, chlorophyll, vitamins, all the phytonutrients that your body needs. You're gonna get from juicing.
Really good.
It's like fresh.
I could see why this would be really good in the mornings when you first wake up.
Don't you feel like how there's nothing like processed?
It just, well, the smell of it smells healthy.
Right? It smells healthy.
I like healthy.
It really is
and
good.
It's gonna make my skin
and
glow.
this is absolutely for your skin to glow. This is my favorite recipe for glowing skin.
So when you say you have a turmeric shot, what is that supposed to do?
So turmeric is a really good antioxidant for your immune system.
Okay.
It's like super powerful and it's very good combined, and it's an anti-inflammatory too agent. If you have any type of inflammations or anything in your body, it kind of like reduces that. Combining that with ginger is like powerhouse. Yeah, so
because I see those for sale, like when you go to a store, a juice store, smoothie shop, I see the little wheatgrass.
Yes, wheatgrass is really good. It's just hard to find. Wheatgrass is hard to find.
Is that why?
So if you go to a juice bar, you'll find it, but it's harder to find to like buy.
What would a wheatgrass shot do?
Same thing.
Same
immune
thing.
system. It's like full of antioxidants. Have I convinced you to juice yet?
Well,
become a juicer. She's got to become a juicer.
I can definitely get used to this.
Yeah, are you liking it?
Yeah, the taste is awesome.
Yeah.
It's
healthy. Smells healthy.
I love healthy. It smells healthy. It tastes healthy. And it's so simple. I was thinking there was more of a process to it. But I like everything healthy. So there's nothing you could put in here that I wouldn't drink.
Yeah. And the good thing about juicing too is it's impossible to eat a bowl of spinach and kale and watermelons in a sitting. You can't, but you could juice it. You can absolutely juice anything because you could drink it, but it's hard to eat it.
I'm really thinking I could get my 2-year-old vegetables and stuff this way because she
Gotta
loves
start them
juices.
young. Start them young.
And she would be able to drink this.
So now we could do planks and jumping jacks.
Oh God.
This is what
I'm gonna be planking in my kitchen on the floor after juicing.
Yes. So I gotta tell you guys a funny story. She is actually from Hawaii, and I met her last year. I think it was Labor Day weekend at our friend Christine's house. That she had like an opening house party at the pool, and I met Carrie there, and we clicked because I love Hawaii. And then she started telling me all about Hawaii. And
Well, I thought her
it's-
tattoos were amazing.
My
I wanted to
tattoos.
talk about tattoos.
So it was like instant. And she's a Peloton freak. She's a fitness freak, and it was like forget it. Like it was like instant. And she's been following me on Instagram for a while, and she's been curious to juice. So I finally came to her house. Like I can go to your house with my juicer and let's juice together.
Do it. Yeah.
Yes, because it will transform you from the inside out. Guaranteed. If you guys like this, subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you right now, if you live in the Denver area and you want me to go to your house with my juicer and juice a certain recipe, I'm your go-to girl. Like and subscribe.